New rules are coming for green card holders every time. Something new. If you have a business and you're a green card holder, there might be restrictions on your getting loans. If you want to travel inside or outside the United States, new restrictions are coming. And if you're going to live in United States as a green card holder, they're making your life harder. In this video, I'm going to post the recent changes that you need to know if you're a green card holder or about to become a green card holder. All the changes, all the updates in this one video. Hello everybody, and welcome back to Immigration Flash Updates. In this video, I want to update you with some new changes that are coming affecting specifically green card holders. And I know that I post these videos every other month, but every one of these videos have new information specifically impacting green card holders or those of you in the process of becoming a green card holder. In this video, I'm going to focus on some of the changes that will be impacting green card holders starting in late February all the way through March, April of 2026. So let's get started. For some reason, this administration is not so excited about green card holders. They're making their life difficult. Either they want them to leave the United States or eventually lose their status, or pushing many of them to become U.S. citizens, those that qualify. But the reality is that every single call that I have with a client or somebody that's watching my videos and booking a consultation, the biggest thing that I see is people are afraid because they're currently living in the United States and they have a green card, or they're worried about applying for U.S. citizenship because of things that happened in their past as green card holders. And those are not things they've done like crimes or something bad. It's simply living their life as green card holders worried that any action they've done in the past could impact their future in the United States. And I understand why they feel like that, because the information in this video is kind of worrisome for many people who are here on temporary status or being a green card holder. Number 1, the change that just was announced less than 2 weeks ago is that green card holders are going to be banned from SBA loans. So, as you know, if you have a small business or a big business and you want to expand your business, you are eligible to apply for a loan from the Small Business Administration. And this has been the case for years and years, specifically during COVID, and people that are going through the process of building their businesses could also qualify for a loan from the Small Business Administration. But all this is going to be changing. Starting March 1st, 2026, the Small Business Administration, also known as SBA, will require 100% ownership of your business to be held by U.S. citizen. If not, you're not going to be eligible to apply for a loan from the SBA. And typically, SBA loans carry lower interest and better terms. If you're a green card holder and you even have a small ownership in that business, it's going to make you ineligible to apply for this loan and potentially could impacting the funding of this business. Now, this is crucial because many companies, many individuals who are here in the United States and eventually become green card holders, they feel that green card is almost ultimate freedom. You can start living in United States freely. You don't have to worry about an employer. You can build your own business. And now this announcement is almost like a punch in the gut for a lot of these hardworking individuals who took years sometimes to become a green card holder, and now they're not going to be eligible to apply for a loan to build a business, to expand their business in the United States. It is essential for you to remember that if you have a green card and you're looking to expand your business, March 1st is a key deadline to apply for an SBA loan. Number 2, new rules for green card holders that are about to travel or planning to leave the United States. Before we cover that, guys, I'm asking you a huge favor. If you're watching my channel but you're not a subscriber, please click the subscribe button so you never miss my videos. I've realized that over 45% of people who come to see my videos are not a subscriber yet. It's free, guys. Click the subscribe so you don't miss my videos or our weekly live shows every Monday, 5 p.m. Pacific. Also, send me a text 61948344549 to book a consultation with me to discuss your fears, your concerns, your planning for your future immigration goals, or use the WhatsApp number on my screen. If you've texted me from overseas, it's the best way to text us. It is responded 24/7. And finally, use the link www.immigrationasapp.com. Always easy to leave your details there. And now, guys, let's get back into the video. So number 2, increase travel restrictions and vetting in addition to the existing travel bans and travel pause that are not necessarily impacting green card holders, but those people that are applying for a green card. If you already have a green card, you should be okay. But there's a new trend that we've seen started about 3 weeks ago that we reported to me by a lot of the people who watching my videos, but also our clients. Green card holders that are traveling to some of these banned countries and are coming back are being pulled over for secondary inspection. This inspection results in usual release. Nothing really happens to the rinker holder. But the problem is that you're going to miss your flights. It causes delays. And quite a few people complained that they suffered financial loss because they had to rebook their flights and nobody cared about it. Remember, if you're a green card holder and you're traveling to any of the 75 pause countries, or most specifically, 39 fully banned countries, those put you at risk of further questioning upon re-entry. Now, once again, I haven't heard of any Greek card holder that was detained or potentially deported, but these intentional delays upon re-entry are causing a lot of anxiety for people. So, my suggestion is that be prepared, realize that you might be stopped for questioning, leave yourself enough time between your connecting flights, and always come with some one-sheet preparation. Say, I've been a green card holder since this. I've went to visit a family. I went for this purpose. So it's clear to immigration why you went. What are you doing? And that the center of your life is in the United States. The more proof you have for that, the less hassle you have upon re-entry. This is concerning because it shouldn't be happening. Also, the social media vetting and checking is also increasing, and green card holders are being requested to show their phones upon entry to the United States. Remember, guys, as a green card holder, you have more rights than just somebody on a visa. You don't have to give them your phone or even unlock it, but refusing to do so could cause you delays upon entry. So just be aware that these are things that are happening. Be mindful of what is going to happen when you return. And if this happens to you, which most likely won't, because most holders are coming back with no problems. But it's important we make this video to understand that some actually facing some scrutiny, and it's important to put people on notice. And maybe somebody in the government will watch this video and say, hey, what is the point of doing so? These are green card holders. They're lawful permanent residents. We should treat them with respect and the dignity that they deserve. Number 3, stricter public charge enforcement. The expended public charge is probably coming at the end of this month or beginning of March, which means that people are applying for a green card if they've used public benefits could be classified as less worthy to get their green card. There's going to be some kind of a system for them to checkmark to see your risk. This is about people that are about to become green card holders, not for actual green card holders. If you already have a green card, you're eligible to use public benefits. But it's very important to mention that because these extra strict public charge enforcement that is going to come in the near future is going to make it more complicated for people to get their green cards. And also, it's important to understand that when they become U.S. citizens, they might go back and understand what they've been doing in the process of getting their green card, and if they violated any rules. So remember, public charge is also the reason why we have the 75-country pause. They're worried that people are going to come to United States, use public benefits, and drain our country from the resources. So, be mindful if you're a green card holder, you're fine. But if you're applying for the green card and you're going through the process of getting your green card, please be mindful of using any public benefits. And if you've used any of those, please consult an immigration attorney to understand if and when this might impact you in the future. Number 4, pause and reconsideration of green card applications. As you know, previous policy manuals that came from USCIS in late 2025 said they're going to go back 4 or 5 years and review applications of green card holders that already have green cards. Now is when they're doing this. We've seen cases where people got notices of green card rescission, specifically when they were applying for their citizenship. One of our clients who went for their citizenship interview was questioned about their green card that they received through marriage 14 years ago, and they realized that there were some discrepancies. As a result, they're receiving now and tend to resend their green card. Once again, these are not common instances that are happening right now, and it's important for you to be aware that they have this policy where they can go back and recheck some green card cases from the past that already have their green cards, and potentially, if they find any violations, they could issue a notice to resend your green card. So please be mindful of that. Again, it's not happening to everyone, but there are cases that people are going through this, and it's important for you to be aware that they have that policy and it's happening. Number 5, what I see is that this administration is pushing for people that have more needs, wealth, education, possibilities to grow and rebuild themselves in the United States over family members that have been waiting for years and years. We see that with the gold card. Therefore, the lawsuit was filed to somehow stop it, because people are saying, we're doing this the right way. We've been waiting for years. We have degrees. We are scientists. Yet they're giving those green cards to people that have money. The processing times of highly skilled individuals, people that are applying for EB-5s, and potentially the gold card, are going to give priority over family immigration. What that means for you guys is that if you're going to the family immigration petitions like F4, petitions like F2B, F3, you gotta be on your case. File those documents on time. File them properly so you go through the NVC process fast and finally get scheduled for your visa interviews. Keep pushing the government and file those mundaneous lawsuits when they take too long on your case. Don't be afraid. Mundaneous lawsuits work, and we here for you guys. If your case is delayed, there's no reason for you to fold mercy to the government. We can sue them, release your case from the backlogs, and set you free. Once again, guys, if you enjoyed this information in this video, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Are you worried as a green card holder about traveling, about applying for a loan? Any question, let me know in the comments. And please share this video. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.